buying is normal. Lahat naman ginagawa yon. True or false?
False.
It is not normal.
It is not.
It is not normal, it is not legal. Or kung akala nyo man normal siya dahil nangyayari siya madalas, it's time to stop.
Yes.
Oo, tigil na natin yan.
And our vote is so important. Tsaka yung prinsipyo eh.
Oo. Once
Integridad.
pinagbenta mo yung prinsipyo mo, parang ang hirap na, even sa sarili mo, alam mong nabibili ka.
Yes. And that's sad.
Correct.
Nakakalungkot yun. So, if you know someone or you witness that kind of event na may bumibili ng boto, wag nating itolerate. Parang awa yun. Nanggagaling din po ito sa mga katulad namin na relatively new voters. Hindi ko na to first time, pero ako, naniniwala ako, Ate Kina, yung mga Gen Z ngayon, I see the passion in them to
Correct.
really vote. You know,
Yeah.
and practice their rights, which I really, really appreciate.
Pinaghahandaan ito. Oo.
Mm.